Hey guys, my name's Tom and I am one of the founders of FollowUp Pro, the application. And today I'm going to take you through one of the newest features that we're introducing to the app. And we've called it the color coordination feature. And the purpose of this feature is to organize your exposures with prospects and contacts by color coordinating them. So color coding them based on what product you are selling to that person at that particular time, and that color will also get linked to that person, so you can now see which follow-up, what the follow-up is related to, which product it's related to, should I say, and also what you've talked to those customers about. So you can see these dots on the left-hand side of each of the follow-ups, and you can add and change these products and businesses from this menu here. Now it's an extra addition. You can click on there and you can see what you're selling at any one time, and you can reassign different colors as you wish to that particular product. So that's completely up to you how you want to adapt your visual aspects of the app. Now you can see it on here, and if you click on here you can also see it there on the exposure. So this is the follow-up, and you can see it on the exposure as well. You can see across the top that it's been selected there, and you can edit that exposure if you so wish, which will edit the follow-up as well. Now when you go into your contacts and you select the contract you want to up at the end of the call, now it's currently assigned to red because that was the previous exposure that you had with that person, but you are more than welcome to change that. And that as soon as you change that, then that, if it's a new color associated to that person because you're selling real estate to Amanda rather than selling t-shirts, then the blue icon will get put on their profile page, on that contact's profile page, so that you can go there and you can see exactly what that person has been exposed to. So you can save that off, and you can set a follow-up, and you add your customer requirements and notes and all sorts, whatever you want to add. Set the date and time, and then add your actions, gin, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not much else that goes along with it. All this is doing is it's just adding that little bit of extra organization, straight up showing you exactly what needs to be done, and just prompting you more and more to do the things you know you need to do when selling. So yeah, that's it. Your feedback is highly valued. If you have any ideas, any queries, any questions, anything about this feature or potential features that you would like to see in the app, please get in touch with us, because it is so valuable to us to make this app the best it can be for you guys, you know. So yeah, you can send us feedback at to our email address, which is feedback@followuppro.co.uk. You can get in touch with us on the Messenger app that's linked to this, the Messenger that's linked to this app as well. And either one of those, just get in touch, and we are more than happy to respond. We'll respond as quickly as we can. So that's it from me. I hope to hear from you soon, and yeah, stay safe.